Welcome back, everyone. I missed you guys so much. Welcome back, returning subscribers, new subscribers. I see a lot of my new subbies. Hey y'all. So today I'm going to be doing a lace frontal tutorial. I went ahead and co-washed my bundles using the bedhead conditioner, and I let the bundles air dry. As you guys can see, it's an amazing hair. It still has the wave to it. This is my body wave hair. Okay, this is my vendor. So the tools and products that I'm going to be using is my hair coloring bowl, my hair coloring brush, lightener, developer, and foils. This bowl is used to hold lighteners and color mixtures, and I also have my scooper inside. Lighteners will remove natural and artificial pigments in the hair, guys. It's also called bleach or decolorizer. Powder lighteners are the fastest lighteners, and they're the strongest. There are also many kinds of lighteners like oil or cream. What I'm using here is called a off the scalp lightener, which is a quick lightener, and it comes in a powder form. It is used to lift the scalp to a higher lift process. This lightener that I'm using is called the BW2 lightener. As you guys can see, I'm going to measure the powder and pour it into my measuring bowl. The thing about this lightener, it does not have a blue undertone to it. The Quick Blue and the L'Oreal powders do have blue undertones. So I'm going to be using 20 volume developer and my applicator brush. So here I'm using a 20 volume developer. This developer is the standard volume. It lifts the hair 1 to 2 levels higher than the base level. When I say the base level, I mean the natural hair color. If you are a hairstylist or you just love to do hair, I would suggest you using a lightener that has a blue undertone or a violet undertone, because it cancels out any warm or brassiness that is on the scalp. So the lightener that I use does not have the violet or blue tone to it, so I had to create that. I used 8 drops of the Adore hair color to create that blue undertone so that it will cancel out any brassiness that I will have while I'm bleaching the frontal. Going in with the Got2b Glue Free Spray, I'm going to lay down any flyaways, any baby hair, so that it won't bleach while I am bleaching the knots. I know you guys are seeing the lines on the frontal, so these lines are called pleats. The reason why they're there is because it just makes sure that the wig is very snug, and even if you're doing a sew-in, it's very snug to your head size. I go ahead and lay down the bleach on the frontal. Normal, easy, simple, nothing too complicated. Now that I'm done applying the bleach to the frontal, I'm going to lay down some foils. The foils just creates oxidation, which is heat, so that the knots will be processed. I processed it for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes was over, I went ahead and rinsed out the frontal. You guys can see it looks gorgeous. It looks like Scalpiana, aka scalp. Okay, this is how you want your frontal, your lace frontals, your closures, your wigs. This is how you want it to look, guys. It matters about the timing. It matters about, just taking your time and making sure that everything is nice and neat. And look at this, let that water flow. Hey. So you guys know that I've been talking a lot about warmer tones and cooler tones throughout this video. I'm going to be using the Bedhead Purple shampoo to tone down that warm tone that I had on the frontal. The reason being is any color, blue, violet, and green, all create like a flat neutral effect. So you want the frontal to look natural. So I went ahead and took out my phone and I timed this to 40 minutes. I let it sit for 40 minutes. Then after the 40 minutes was over, I rinsed out the frontal and then I conditioned the frontal using the bedhead conditioner. As you guys can see, it looks gorgeous, and I went ahead and plucked the frontal. If you guys want me to do a detailed frontal plucking tutorial, just comment that below. And then yeah, we're done, we're finished. That was it. Very simple. Look at this. It looks really nice. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, comment down below what you learned, what you want to learn, what you just comment down. Okay, thank you guys. Bye y'all.